Hey guys, today's project calls for removing a 2015 to 19 Hyundai Sonata front cover. First thing you want to do is pop that hood and locate 7 clips up on top of the radiator cover. You want to use some sort of pick tool, body trim removal tool, or you could even try a fork if you don't have any of those. The clips that came on this vehicle were little plastic screw clips. The red circles indicate the 7 clips that I removed, and on this particular vehicle, there were 2 empty holes, one on each side. I circled those in blue. Your vehicle might have a clip or a bolt in there. Once you're done up top, make your way to the sides. It's always a good idea to get in the car and turn that wheel to one side. It gives you a lot more room to work with. Remove 3 clips and 1 10mm bolt. Once you're finished with one side, repeat to the other side. Once you got the top and both sides all finished, work your way to the bottom of the vehicle. As you can see, this particular vehicle has seen better days and had no clips or bolts to be found out underneath. There wasn't even a splash guard or a lower valance. There was nothing to be found under this one. But on your vehicle, if it has any clips or bolts, go ahead and remove those from the vehicle. To detach your bumper from your vehicle, gently and cautiously pull the end of the bumper towards you. Sometimes bumpers can be a little bit tricky to remove from the vehicle. Take your time with it, go slow. It's now time to remove that bumper off your vehicle, but don't pull it all the way off just yet. If your vehicle is equipped with fog lights, you'll want to remove the bumper just a little bit, setting it on the ground. You can use a piece of cardboard so you avoid scratching up the bottom of that painted bumper. As you can see, I laid the bumper straight on the ground, but I didn't pull it off the vehicle all the way. Now would be a good time to disconnect those fog lights if your vehicle is equipped with them. And there you have it. If you found value in this video, you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and go on over to the channel and check out the rest of my videos. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday auto body and paint videos, and I'm a huge classic car enthusiast and I own an old 86 Grand Wagoneer. So if any of this sounds good to you, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.